What's going on, guys? It's my day one of Monterey Car Week 2026. We're heading over to the Porsche Monterey Classic. I literally just finished painting these wheels like an hour ago. So we're ready. I think the paint is dry enough to drive, so let's hit the road. Guys, I'm just trying to get through this light. We're like a light away. Please, pretty please. Traffic. Hey, what's going on, man?
One more room.
Oh, you guys are out of room?
I got you a sticker though.
Oh, for sure. I'll take it, man.
You have the outside one. Here you go.
Oh yeah, thank you, thank you.
Boom.
Right on, bro.
If you loop around, we might let you in later when people leave. But
yeah,
besides that, that's all we can.
For sure. All right, guys, we got here too late. There's no spots. No. What's going on over here? Right outside. That's crazy. Alright, guys, I don't even know if I can park here. There's this no parking towaway. And today is Monday the 10th, so I don't know. Should I risk it? Guys, I just got a spot. I'm gonna go grab the car real quick.
They just took all your spots. Just follow that guy and they'll park you somewhere.
Oh, for sure. Thanks so much, man.
I know you've been asking.
Guys, I've never gotten here this late. It's crazy. I guess someone took that first spot. Yeah, there was a spot next to a Cayman. So
Yeah, you're gonna run me over, man.
I'm trying not to run anyone over, dude. It's so hectic right now. He said as close as I can to this GT3. Oh God. Hey, nice 996 turbo, bro.
Thanks, bro.
Yeah. Oh man, nice E88, bro.
Oh,
yeah.
He'll cook you sausages.
Hey, take care, man. All right, guys, we're back from another amazing Porsche Monterey Classic. I say this every year, but you know, it really is about the people, right? The cars bring you together. The people make the experience what it is. So I'm so glad I got to run into a ton of folks from the Porsche community. And as I do every year, we're gonna throw on this year's sticker. And I just took a look at the window. I think it's gonna fit right here. Oh yeah, look at that, nice little row. Sweet. Okay, yeah, I'm gonna try to get this just right. I'm nervous, guys. I only have one of these. It's a little close. Oh no, it's stuck. Okay, you know what? It is what it is. Sweet. Got them all lined up. I'm literally running out of window space. I have this little corner, so I'm not too sure what I'm gonna do next year. But anyways, y'all, thanks so much for coming along today. I'm super excited for the rest of Car Week. You're gonna see us out at Werks Reunion. I'm gonna go home, swap cars, and we're gonna be out in the Cayennes on Friday, grilling some more hot dogs. So we will see you then. But alrighty, y'all, till next time, peace.